How do you fix Esports Manager 2026 is crashing? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the general tab, launch options, you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser. Now you want to go to this link, which is going to be in the description below. From the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of them, which will require a computer restart when you're done. Now, what you need to do is open up your GPU app to get the latest driver updates. So for example, if you're running NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software. And from the drivers section, you'll need to check for the latest driver update and make sure to download and install it. And once you do that, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and see you on the next one.